Watch the epic 2025 US Open final between Sinner and Alcaraz, absolutely free with this NordVPN trick. This highly anticipated match has everyone on the edge of their seats after Alcaraz defeated Djokovic and Sinner triumphed over Aliassime. Catch every thrilling moment live in full HD with English commentary on 9Now, an Australian streaming channel. Normally geo-restricted, NordVPN bypasses these limitations, allowing you to stream the final from anywhere in the world. Simply connect to an Australian server and enjoy uninterrupted access to the game. Plus, with NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee, you can effectively watch the match for free. Learn how to get your NordVPN free trial in the description below. Don't miss this incredible showdown. Grab your virtual seat now. Click the link in the description to learn more about NordVPN and secure your spot. Experience the intensity of the Sinner vs. Alcaraz rivalry without spending a dime. Who will emerge victorious? Find out by watching the US Open final for free with NordVPN.